everyone has, or not everyone, but that people typically run across. And then once we talk about those, we're gonna talk about also, like when you're choosing glasses, lenses, what would be the best frame for you with your particular prescription. So starting with the first one, hyperopia, that is better known as farsightedness. So that's more like if you can see far away and have problems seeing up close. Typically it's prescribed in a plus prescription format. Myopia is the opposite, where it is nearsightedness, where it you can see clearly up close but can't see clearly in the distance. That's more common, and that's notated in a minus form prescription. Astigmatism is a refractive error where your eyes actually don't, where you focus is in two places. So when you have an astigmatism correction, what it does is focus you in one point rather than in the two. It's caused by the fact that your eyeball isn't perfectly round, it's more football shaped. And then presbyopia is what you would have if you need bifocals. So you often, so you can't focus in the far or in the up close. And then the two that typically older people have is glaucoma, which causes increased pressure in the eye and can lead to blindness if it's not properly taken care of. This is kind of what you would see if you had glaucoma, where it's clear in the center and then really dark on the outside. Cataracts are kind of the opposite. Cataracts can actually be removed though. It causes clouding in the lens or spotting, things like that. So those are the main ones that people typically run across. Now when I was talking about plus and minus lenses with myopia and hyperopia, when you are getting a prescription lens, the lenses are actually shaped like this in a hyperopia lens, and then in a myopia lens, so a plus lens, it's shaped like that. So the thickest point of your lens in a myopia lens is going to be in the center, whereas it's opposite for a hyperopia. So when choosing a frame that is going to work the best for your prescription, people that have higher prescriptions, if they are hyperopic, typically want to go with a smaller frame because with a bigger frame they're going to get thicker lenses. And then with hyperopia, or with myopia, typically you want to find more of a rounded frame because it'll hide the thickness in the center of your lenses a little better.
Less than a minute.
Okay. As far as presbyopia, it's kind of hard because a lot of times it has a minus lens as the distance and a plus lens as the up close. So a lot of times those will cancel out. So depending on the distance prescription versus the up close prescription, that would make a difference. If they have a higher distance prescription than an up close prescription, they would want to go this route. If they have a higher up close prescription than a distance prescription, then it would want to be more of a rounded frame. Does anybody have any questions? Okay.
Okay, and that